O protector of the people in general, please consider the purpose of your being incarnated by Lord Vishnu. The irreligious principles created by Indra are but mothers of so many unwanted religions. Please therefore stop these imitations immediately. Lord Brahma addresses King Prthu as Prajapat just to remind him of his great responsibility in maintaining the peace and prosperity of the citizens. Maharaj Prthu was empowered by the Supreme Personality of Godhead for this purpose only. It is the duty of the ideal king to see that people are properly executing religious principles. Lord Brahma especially requested King Prthu to conquer the pseudo-religious principles produced by King Indra. In other words, it is the duty of the state or king to put a stop to pseudo-religious systems produced by unscrupulous persons. Originally, a religious principle is one, given by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and it comes through the channel of disciplic succession in two forms. Lord Brahma requested Prthu Maharaj to desist from his unnecessary competition with Indra, who was determined to stop Prthu Maharaj from completing 100 yagyas. Instead of creating adverse reactions, it was better for Maharaj Prthu to stop the yagyas in the interest of his original purpose as an incarnation. This purpose was to establish good government and set things in the right order.